Stop guessing about home loans. RichmondCustomHomes.com shows the way. Thinking about flipping houses for profit? Here's how financing works. Fix and flip properties are usually considered short-term investments, so traditional mortgages aren't always the best fit. Most investors use hard money loans or private lenders because they offer faster approvals and flexible terms. These loans are based more on the property's value after repairs, not just your credit score. However, expect higher interest rates, larger down payments, and shorter repayment periods, often 6 to 18 months. Another option is a renovation loan if you plan to live in the property while fixing it up. Tip: always calculate your total costs, purchase, repairs, holding costs, and selling fees, before jumping in. Profit is made when you buy smart. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.